All right, guys, I'm out here getting started on the fence. Had a lot of stuff I had to get done this morning, but I'm back out here, back working. You can see they delivered my materials for the fence. Now I can get the fence for the garden put up. Good morning, guys. Hopefully, the ground's still frozen. Hopefully today, I'm gonna try to get this floor finished up in the barn. We can get ready to pour the cement. Go in here and check the maternity ward. See what. Make sure everybody's doing good in here. I keep her in there by herself because all the other chickens kept trying to go in there and lay more eggs. She doesn't need more. I think she's sitting on 19 or 20 now. The people that I bought the original shell from brought me another load and they screwed up again. This is the field dirt they brought me. Yeah, exactly. So had a talk with the guy. They said they're going to try to make it right. They're going to bring some more stuff, but I'm going to have to keep charging ahead right now and see if I can get this one corner finished up. Let's get this slab poured. I can use that for filling in big holes and other stuff around here. So I'm going to get busy and see if I can make a little progress. Chickens don't like being locked out of the barn. Okay, I've got the majority of it, I guess you could say, done. Still has some high spots and low spots, but I got this corner, a lot of stuff put in this corner. I need to go through here and pack it. I'll wet it down and try to get it as smooth as I can, and then check for my low spots and just keep working my way up from there. I'm getting close though. Hopefully I'll have this done today, and then I can order the concrete and get the concrete guy up here, and we'll get this knocked out. Okay, I think that's gonna be good enough. I need to come back and just take a shovel, clean up around the edges. But as you can see, it's fairly flat. It's packed down. It's packed down really tight. I mean, I don't think it's ever gonna settle any. It's still a pain in the butt working with this stuff that these guys brought me. When you order fill dirt, they should bring dirt, not, you know, loads of rock. But it is what it is, right? So I don't think this part is done. Do a little dressing up around the edges, like I said, and I'm gonna fill up some holes outside. Call the concrete guy. All right, guys, I'm out here getting started on the fence. Had a lot of stuff I had to get done this morning, but I'm back out here, back working. You can see they delivered my materials for the fence. Now I can get the fence for the garden put up. I'm just gonna do a wooden fence. It'll kind of tie in with all the other fences that's gonna eventually be here around the property. But, and no, that alone's not gonna keep the deer out. They can just hop right over it. It's only gonna be about a 5-foot tall fence. But I'll put some flags up around the top, and that should be enough to keep them out. But this is it. This is where I'm putting the fence. Got the first hole dug. It's awful tough digging, going through all this rock. But, you know, those of you that saw me when I built the barn, or saw the video, you know, you just have to keep chipping at it. You dig for a little while, take your little rock bar here and break it up, scoop it out, keep on going. Let me get this banding material, cut off these posts, and I'll grab one and see if it fits in the hole. Wasn't as exciting as I thought it was going to be. What do you know? It fits. And I got a rock right in the middle. Okay, what I decided to do was I moved the fence out just a little bit. It put me on the other side of this tree. The way I had it, it's been easier digging. Would have been easier to put the fence up, and this tree would have been outside the garden. But it was crooked with the barn, and that's going to drive me crazy. Every time I walk outside, I won't be able to stand it. So I want to run everything parallel to the barn. Doesn't make any difference really, other than the way it looks, but it'd drive me crazy. So anyway, this one's done. I'm gonna go grab a post, come over here and see if I can get it fit down in the hole, and we'll establish this one line. I can start putting all the rest of the post in. as I'm going along setting these posts, you're going to notice that the tops are not, they're not even. They're going to be kind of up and down. There's a reason for that. It's not because I don't want to try to get them all even. I don't have a choice. See if I can do this one-handed. See down in this hole? Well, solid rock. You get down somewhere close to 2 feet, between 18 inches and 2 feet, and it's just solid rock. Like, you can beat on it with the rock bar all you want. Sometimes that's 6 and 8 inches thick. There's nothing you can do with it. That's why I'm not using an auger on a tractor or anything like that, because it's just not worth the trouble. So you just go as deep as you can, set your posts, get them as tight as you can, come back and cut the top off. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to wrap it up for today. I've been beating my way through rock for the last several hours. Got a few posts in. I got this corner established. I'll finish down this road tomorrow and then pull my tape measure from corner to corner, get the other side established, and just work my way around. Get ready to start cutting the tops off and putting the boards on.